Yes.
Easy Drain?
Easy Drain Care Products is an idea of today and tomorrow. Simply is a care products of the future, where we're looking forward to introducing new ideas in the market. That
So
will.
when you talk about care product, is
Yes.
that like lotion?
No. We mainly deal with a bed, for incontinent people, and most especially bed-ridden people. These are the people who are confined maybe in nursing homes, in in a home health setting, and also it can also be used in hospital. Yes.
How different is this bed than the rest of the beds that we have?
Oh boy, it's a lot. What we have out there compared to what we have in terms of Easy Drain, number one is like whatever we have out there is like what you have in your house,
Okay.
because it's just for sleeping, right?
Because I've been around nursing homes.
Yes,
I've been in
yes,
hospitals, so,
yes.
It's
So-
different than what we see in the hospital.
Absolutely. Easy Drain. Consider a person who is incontinent. That means that person cannot get up and go to the bathroom and take a break. That means that this person will have to have somebody to come and clean after them, which brings a lot of challenges. I've been in nursing home, rehab, and all that for almost 10 years. I'll tell you what I see every single day is something as a person I would not want to go through. So that means Easy Drain is a solution. Somebody wearing a brief for diapers, and then consider a case where you don't have somebody to come and take care of them. My friend, it brings challenges to the wounds.
Yeah.
If this person has a wound or have
Everywhere.
everything, is this something you may wish for your loved one? No. That's where Easy Drain comes in. Yes, that's why we bring a bed that has this technology that you go, if you pee,
My viewers or listeners may not have known the technology you are talking about.
Yes.
How's the bed made? Is it the usual bed or it drains just like the name says?
It's not the usual bed. It's a specialty bed with a specialty mattress. This mattress has got a drainage system at the middle. So 99% of the water or the urine goes through, all the way to the drain. This is a game changer, I'll tell you. I'll tell you, number one, we don't have enough caregivers in nursing homes, rehabs, even in our homes. You leave your mother or your dad sitting in this bed knowing very well that when you come back, they'll be okay.
And one more question. So you are talking about reducing the amount of caregivers.
Yes.
So are you not going to get the amount of the market?
No. Already there's a shortage.
Yeah.
There's a shortage. If you asked somebody who works in a nursing home, they will tell you, or a rehab or a hospital, they will tell you they are always working short. Meaning there are no enough people to work, right? So what happens? People don't get enough care. People don't get changed. People don't, At least you will have a solution. You will know very well that, hey, I am short of a given number of aids, but my patients will be okay.
Wow.
Yes.
As you said, indeed, it's a game changer.
Oh, sure.
But another question, maybe I don't know if it's a challenge. You talked about the way it's going to drain the urine. What about if a patient has a BM?
Well, still the system is in place.
Oh.
The BM, number one, we have the underwear
Oh.
that will be able to hold the
Hold
BM.
or drain?
No, hold. Let's say somebody has a BM. Urine will go through, but the BM will be held.
Okay.
That's the underwear, and then it's reusable. You can go dump it in the washer and then reuse it. And then another thing I will tell you, we are still thinking. We keep thinking.
Oh, yeah.
We will have another version of the underwear. I may not want to talk about it right now. That one will be something that you will be willing to see. I'll tell you.
And what about the cost?
Very cheap. What's the cost
How
of
cheap is cheap?
what's the cost of treating a wound? What's the cost of treating a UTI? Compared to what we are selling here, very expensive. And mark my words, the kind of beds we have out there, super expensive, but they create problems. That's why we want to solve it. Again, we are selling our product at affordable price because we want, honestly, I don't care how you look at it, but let me tell you this. In one way or the other, we are trying to solve a problem. The reward will come later. If we were to, after money, I think we'll be selling this thing a little higher.
One more last question. You know, are we talking about US only? I come from Africa. Maybe I wish to have this bed in Africa. Are you going to solve my problem?
2 months ago, I was in Africa. Already, we have set up a subsidiary there in Africa. The company is registered now in Kenya, Nairobi. And then they are waiting for our instructions on how we hit the market.
So you are able to ship the bed to various parts of the
Of course. We'll be doing that. You'll be seeing it.
Indeed,
Yes. It's going places, man.
I can't wait.
It's
Next
going
time,
places.
we want to talk more about the bed and
Yes.
know when it will be actualized. And then we'll show our viewers
Yes.
so that we know more. And maybe we're heading there. We never know. Anything may happen when we use it.
The one thing I'll tell you is this. If you ask out there, we have a lot of challenges. But the main challenges that we face as humanity is based on healthcare. We have a lot of challenges. We are talking about the corona, whatever, virus that everybody is scared about, right? Do you know what to do about it? Nothing.
Nobody knows.
So we still have a challenge. We have a lot of people, they call them baby boomers. These people have got a lot of money. They are going to nursing homes. They are going to retirement homes. But they start fear, who's going to take care of me? When that time comes, like I will not be able to drive. I will not be able to.
This
Yes.
gives you an independence.
Yes.
now.
Yes.
So you don't need somebody to be around you all the time.
No. And you know, the government as well will be overwhelmed, you know, because Medicare, Medicaid, because you're going to have a lot of numbers. That means if somebody was given 4 hours of care, like CNA goes to see them 4 hours, guaranteed it will reduce because there are going to be a lot of people who need services.
Oh,
There's no way out I'm going to allocate you 4 hours and then somebody else is suffering. It's, you know.
I see.
So this product, this bed, will come in handy, and I think it will serve that purpose.
We're looking forward to
Yes.
learning more and having
Yeah.
more knowledge on the bed because
Yes.
you said it's a game changer.
Oh, sure.
And when you have beds or there are other products.
We have a lot of products. One of the amazing things that I've enjoyed as in being in Israel is the creativity and you know, thinking and trying to imagine. I'm telling you, when you sit down and trying to look at things, hey, how do we design this? You know, coming up with those ideas is very exciting. You may think that, you know, we used to see kids back home playing with these things, you know, writing this, and then you'd be like, stop, my friend. When you start inventing, thinking, you enjoy that creativity. It's like a game. It's like, yes.
You wish that nobody would have stopped
Yes.
it.
So,
Stopping
yes. So the going forward, you are going to see a lot of exciting things coming from Israel. Other than this bed, we are going to upgrade it. You talked about the Easy Drain cushion. Very interesting idea. You talked about the bed with the commode. Very interesting idea. Do you want me to tell you something else? There are a lot of things, but I'm not able to tell you. I will tell you this, and perhaps you'll keep this clip and you'll come to tell me. It's a very exciting moment inside of us. I will tell you. Very exciting. Very exciting.
On that note, we leave it here. Thank you
Yes.
for visiting us.
Yes.
And thank you for listening and watching. We'll be giving you more visits
Yes.
for Easy Drain Care products.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for having me.